Okay, so before I completely changed the head of this USB, replace it with a new one, I want to share a little story with you. This is how I hacked this broken flash drive. It was like this before, just the head. First it didn't work, and then I tried to clean up the solder line, but I screwed everything. So I have to solder each one again and replace it with this thin wire. It's very thin. Okay, I hope you can see it. This video is 4K, so I think you'll be able to see it. This USB head has 4 connectors, and each of these is connected to its corresponding pair. So if I try this hacked flash drive and plug it into PC, this will still work. Despite how destroyed, how ugly looking this is, it will still work. Don't believe me? Look funny to you? Hear that sound? Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna turn on. Turn this off. Okay, so I'm gonna record at the same time. Press record. Wait. Press record. Hey, start recording. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna plug this out. Okay. Again. Hear the sound, okay? Hear the USB sound notification. Ta-da! Again? Okay, I won't touch it. Ta-da! Oh, wait, why there is a warning sign? Oh shoot! Okay, I broke one wire. I broke one wire. Damn it! Ow! Broke one wire. That's why I got a warning. Okay, let me touch it gently. Oh ho 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 ho. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. This is so cool. Hehehehe.